Hi, I am Sadiq Emrah. Now I will teach you how can we use LTRIM, RTRIM, TRIM position commands on the HeidiSQL. HeidiSQL is an open source application for the using Windows. HeidiSQL is an database we can use it. I created two tables for the less time under the company database. I will work on the customer table. Customer table have got cost name, surname, address, cost limit, registration, date, areas, and I put in its entries. Firstly, I will work with the left trim commands. In the beginning, I am displaying our table. Select star from customer table and run the application for the display result. I can see our result. I will use left trim for the took left space. First we will look it's using. I am writing here select and getting here our function LTRIM, and in the quotation mark writing our values here, getting here space for the take it, and writing our string here, HeidiSQL database. I am writing here, and I can run the application for the display result, and I can see our result. There is no space on the left. Also, I can create a new area for the display it. I am writing our LTRIM function. I am writing, and I can run the application for the display result, and I can see our new area's name. Now I will use our function in our areas. Firstly, look to table, select star from which table, customer table, and run the application. Now I can see here the left space. I will trim it with the LTRIM function. I am writing here select and writing our function here, and I am writing in which area I will work on. Cost name area I am working, and which table from customer table, and I can run the application for the display result. For the detail, I am writing here cost name, and I can run the application, and I can see the left space here and trim spaces here. Also, I can create a new area here for the using as command. I am writing new areas name here, and I can run the application, and display result. I can see our new areas name here. Now our second command is right trim. For it I am writing firstly in a string, and I am writing our command here and getting here a string. I am writing HeidiSQL database and getting here spaces, and I can run the application for the display result, and I can see here there is no spaces on the right. Also, I can create a new area as our result. I am writing and run the application, and I can see is deleting spaces here. Also, I can use right trim in our table. I am writing here select and getting here our function right trim, and writing in which area, cost name area, and in which table from customer table, and I can run the application for the display result. I can see our result is deleting in the right area. Also, again, I am writing here cost name and getting here common for the display cost name areas, and I can create a new area for the display result, our right trim, and I can run the application for the display result. I can see our result is deleting spaces on the right. Also, I can use a trim function in our HeidiSQL application. For it, first I am using in the string and getting quotation mark and writing here space and HeidiSQL I am writing, database I am writing too, and also getting here spaces, and I can run the application for display result. Also I can add here a new area, our trim result. I am adding a new area's name, and I can run the application for display result. I can see our result. There is no space on the left and there is no space on the right. Also I can use trim function on our tables. For it I am writing here select class name and writing our function and getting in which area I will use here class name area, and I can create any area for the display result. I am using s command and getting here our trim result I am writing, and now I am writing in which table I will use it. I will use it on the customer table, and I can run the application for the display result, and I can see our result. There is no space on the left and on the right. And now our last command is position command. Position command search our defined strings position on a string on our areas. Firstly, we are looking on the string. I am writing here and select and write our function here position, and firstly I am looking which character I am searching. For example, a character I am searching and getting here in function in which string I am looking it. For example, again HeidiSQL database I am writing here, and I can run the application for display result. I can see in the 11. Now it's the 11th character on the our string. Also I can create a new area for the display our result I am writing, and I can run the application for the display result. Also I can use position in our areas. For it I am writing here select and I can write here which area I want to look, class name, and getting here our function position and which character I am looking on. For example, a again, and getting here in function and writing in which area I want to look it. I want to look it class name area, and which table I am looking on. I am looking on the customer table, and I can run the application for a display result. I can see where is the a character's position here. For example, Kenan on the 4th position a character. Also I can create a new area here. I am writing s command and writing our result position, and I can run the application for the display result, and I can see our new area's name. I showed you how can we use left trim, right trim, trim, position commands on the HeidiSQL application. I hope so you like it. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day.